Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Anytime you are watching me, I'm the Governor Empire. Today I will be teaching you how you can live stream a pre-record video. How you can live stream to your platforms. So let's just get started now. What you just need to do, first of all, you go to your Play Store, click on your Play Store or your Apple Store, any either of them you are using. Just click on it, then search for. There are a lot of them, but I can just say okay, search for one stream. Sorry, one stream app. Then you just say one stream like this to pop out. Look at the one stream live. Then just what you need to do is just to download it. So after downloading it, you will see it here like this. Let me show you. You will see there is it now. Just click on it, one stream. Okay, it will open like after you might have logged in inside your platform. After you might have registered, logged inside your platform. This is how it will show. So now it will tell you if you want to connect to OBS, Zoom, and so on and so forth. And it's left for you. But now we are doing a pre-recording stream. Okay, for you to be able to upload your pre-record video inside your portal here, click on this three dotted line at the top, then click on video, then you say upload video. Okay, it will show you if you want to upload it via your Google Drive or from Zoom recording or lots more. But where you are taking it from is from your device. You already recorded it on your device, so or you copied it on your device. So you say my device. Click on the my device. Then you click on, if you just want to do the camera job just that instant, you can just click camera. But if you don't want to, if you already record it, you click on the gallery. Okay, from here you're able to select where the video is. Like I already edited some videos here. Like you see this 60,000 watch hour, I already edited it with my youth code. So just have to click on it. I think that is all. We are good to go. Okay, what you just need to do, you can decide to schedule it. You can decide to schedule it to like I want it to I have a class for like 7 o'clock in the evening or 12 o'clock in the evening, and I will not be chance. And I've already programmed it. I've already gotten students. They have registered and so on. You can put it on you. You can use schedule. See, yeah, I can create a schedule now. I can create a schedule. Okay, I will say pre-record streaming. Just click on it. You can go live using your previous uploaded videos, or you want to upload it. Either of them you just feel to use. So let me say I'm using from the one I already uploaded here. Okay, you have to click on it. Okay, take a good look at it now. So you can decide to put a caption. I think I already have a caption here already. Branding, playlist, change video, and so on and so forth. Let me live tutorial on how to get 60k watch hour followers for monetization process in just a click. Then description, I can decide to use the same thing with the Governor Empire. Okay, I can decide to, you have to use taglines that you have a lot of followers. The Governor Empire, tag again. Followers, tag again. So after that, I can decide to do, so how many times do you want the video to play? I can decide to, let me say, play like 3 times. If it is a long video, think I have to play all through today. Let's go into the advanced setting. I will try to delete this post immediately after the streaming. If it were to be a tutorial class, I can delete the video so that at least I can redo this thing again for other people to view and they will not be able to watch it again, all those kind of stuff. So after that, I have to choose destination. Click on choose destination. Okay. Thumbnail. Okay, let me upload a thumbnail. Okay. Let me use some gallery. So then you just say okay. So now this will be when somebody just going through my this thing, this will be the thumbnail they will see. Still processing. Okay, uploaded successfully. So now I can decide to schedule it for later on, like 12 o'clock, 2 o'clock in the night, in the afternoon, anytime at all. But let me just decide to go live now so that you will see what I'm trying to do. So now I have to choose destination. Okay, seems to be I have not chosen it. Okay. Before then, make sure that this where you are going for the life is thick. If it's not thick, it will not go through. Create a new event. So now it's thick now. So now they are going to it's going to go directly to my Facebook and my YouTube at the same time. So let us go live now. Okay, ready? So will be live within 10 seconds. Okay, thank you very much. Thank you for going live for me. I really appreciate. So this is just how to go live using a pre-record video. Yeah, so now we have successfully go live. So let us wait till 10 seconds. I think from 10 seconds time we'll be live. Okay. Let's go to Facebook now. If we are still live yet. Okay, see it? We are still live here too. Do you see it? Select category, just click on it. Then you see of just the IG followers, Instagram, TikTok, monetization. YouTube. Already live here on YouTube. Can click it to see. Already live here. What you look like. Okay. If you have your ticket, if you have issues, you can. So that is the way to go live. You think that you are live, not know that you are not live. Yeah.